Hey folks, welcome back. So I've got to do some grading work and some cleanup work at the front end of my property. But first, I've got to get some fuel in the tractor. It's going to run out any minute now, and then hook up the blade. So once I get that done, I'll bring you back. Thanks for watching. Hang around. All right, well, it's just a second or two for you, but it's actually the next day. I wasn't going to drive 10 miles just to get 6 gallons of diesel fuel. So we're full, we're close to it, we're ready to go. All right, so while the tractor is warming up, I'll show you what I'm doing. And this is kind of a follow-up to the flooding problems that I used to have. So first thing I did is I cleaned this all out of all the overgrowth. I'll see if I can put in a picture or a video or something here to show you what that looked like. I did all that without recording it, cleaned it all up. Well, job number one is to get rocks out of a big pile right in there. So I used to have water come down from here and just flood the property, and I'll show you a video or two of that. Well folks, here's an update on my little earthen berm that I built for flood control. This is the one I built a couple of months back to try to prevent flooding like you see here. So now what I need to do is the town put this little drainage ditch in here a few years back. And when they did, they left this sand here, and I don't know if you can see it, there's a little bit of a mound there of dirt and sand. They pushed everything over. So I used to be able to just come in here and mow this all down with my tractor and walk behind, but that mound is in the way now. So I'm going to come out here with the grader blade, my tractor, and push all that back over. This ditch was never really needed. It was needed somewhat because of the flooding, but most of the water ran down through here. All right, well, it figures. My camera died just about the time I was finishing up. So there's clearly still some sand here. That's probably about an inch deep. So I'm going to do a second scrape through here. This is supposed to be all grass here. Same thing right in here. Do another scrape there. Again, there's about an inch of sand there. This, that's pretty good as it is. That's some sandy topsoil. So I've got plenty of topsoil that I can use for all of this. So I'll spread a little bit of topsoil over that. And then once this is scraped again, I'll throw more topsoil here and in here, and then plant some seed. So that's it for today. I've got to get to the dump. I forgot to bring an old kitchen stove to the dump, so I've got to get that done before they close. I'll do a follow-up video once this is all done. So as always, folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.